Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stripping any metal and rolling sleeves. Grease hides under rings. Once done, add a small measured drop of degreasing soap, 1 to 2 drops or 1/2 teaspoon, directly to your palms. You'll want warm water around 36-40 degrees because heat helps break bonds. The goal is to emulsify oil, not cook skin. Rub palms together briskly for 20 seconds to lift the film. Then rinse briefly to check progress before continuing with targeted steps. You keep working by attacking embedded grease with mechanical action and a solvent. First, lather again and use a nail or soft bristle brush across cuticles and creases. Scrubbing breaks the oil film. Once scrubbed, make sure to apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol or a citrus-based cleaner, just a little, to dissolve stubborn oil-soluble residues, then relather soap to capture dissolved particles. Once you see a clean feel, rinse and inspect. Repeat the lather-rinse cycle until tactile residue is gone. You finish by thoroughly rinsing and patting dry with a clean towel, then let fingers air for 30 to 60 seconds so trapped moisture evaporates. Next, restore skin with 1 to 2 drops of moisturizer or a thin barrier cream to prevent drying from repeated washing. If hands still feel slippery, don't panic. Repeat the solvent plus soap scrub or soak briefly in a 1-to-1 vinegar and water mixed to cut lingering grease. Make sure to moisturize afterward to avoid irritation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.